Cable target with incomplete device tag 003005, the code for this error message. And this is a somewhat nasty message. I personally wouldn't even expect to get this kind of message, because when you place a cable, a device or terminal, anything inside your wiring diagram, you automatically assign a certain device tag. In this case, this wasn't the case. I got this project from my colleagues to check it, and this is the result. I have various issues, so let's double click on the message to see what's the problem. At the first sight, you don't see the problem, so this device has its own device tag and now some terminals and then connection to the PLC. At a second glance, I've noticed that since the colleagues didn't place any terminals before these, like on other pages for example, they normally place it at the beginning, so they forgot to input at the first place the device tag of this particular terminal strip. So in this case, this would be, according to the standard of this manufacturer, of this customer, it would be -X3. And this would be the solution. So both the target and the source of this cable now have complete device tags. Let's just now go to undo. To see this, for example, in the terminal strips navigator, synchronize selection. So it says without device tag. And we also have over here in the devices navigator some devices that do not have a device tag. And that's the cause of this problem. So as said, let's enter here -X3. Let's also now locate for other terminals. We see the same problem over here, and for these over here, I would say -X9. And now in the devices navigator and also in the terminal strips navigator, we now see that all the elements now have a device tag. And this should also be a solution for all of these. Now let's try to check project, offline setting, and OK. And it seems like we solved all of these. This could be the case also with other devices when you have a cable that has a target and a source, and some of these elements do not have a full device tag. Let's now, for example, delete this device tag completely. Big space to delete it, and OK. And now let's see if you're gonna once again get this message for this particular, also for this cable. Check project, offline setting, and OK. So once again, cable target with the incomplete device tag. And when we double click on it, so we get exactly over here this cable. And that's it regarding this message.